So we are going up the mountain again. We forgot to fetch for firewood, so we need firewood to do gango.
All right.
I know you love gango.
Yes. Gango.
So let us fetch for
these
firewood.
are the trees I'm seeing here.
Yes,
What does it call?
This one is a mushanje.
Mushanje.
Mushanje tree.
All right.
Yes. During the rainy season, it produces a certain type of fruit which is brown in color. It tastes so sweet. It's so good. So many people take it for food.
All
yes.
Mushanje.
Do you know the name of Mushanje? Like Majanje in English. What is the name of Majanje in English? If you know the name, kindly type in the comment section.
There's a prize for that.
Yeah. Auntie, she's going to give you a surprise.
So isusu takaroora kuPakistan but tambotsvagisa huni kunoko.
All right, like that?
Yes.
And then I'm going to hurt.
No, you are not going to be hurt. Let's go that side.